Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
The base of the Sandia Peak Tramway is about a 20-minute drive from the main areas of Albuquerque. Once you arrive, you'll already be treated to great views of the city and the Sandias. Make sure to buy your tickets 24 hours in advance via the website, as it tends to sell out. Your journey to the top of the over 10,000-foot high Sandia Peak includes 360-degree panoramic views from the gondola. You'll also be accompanied by a friendly guide who points out areas of interest and historic significance. The 2.7-mile ride takes a little over 15 minutes. At the summit, you'll be met with breathtaking views of Albuquerque and the surrounding area, plus several hiking and mountain biking trails, the 10-3 restaurant, picnic areas, and the Sandia Peak ski area, all of which will feature in future videos. Before you visit, be sure to check the weather and pack accordingly, as conditions are often much colder and windier at the summit. Get more information about the Sandia Peak Tramway at sandiapeak.com. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to GoABQ for new videos about things to do in and around Albuquerque, New Mexico. Thanks for watching.